What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, man? So I show up to work today and my partner's like, oh man, what are we gonna do? This thing's not starting. It wants to turn over, but it doesn't. Is it the alternator? Maybe the ignition switch. Don't want a new battery. No, bro. The issue will most definitely lie in your connectors. Yeah, I know it's corroded and it's dirty, but believe it or not, it was way more dirtier than it is now. Clean this up, guys. Boom, about 15 bucks. Like $3 at your local auto parts store. In reality, either one of these will work. So before you go jumping it or charging the battery or hiring a mechanic shop, which will take your money, go on and clean these connectors first. You don't want to spend the money on this. Some of this stuff, some baking powder or some foot powder would actually work. And some sort of carbonation. Yes, sir.